Hello, how are you? Welcome to all of you on Medical Lab Tactics by Professor Harris. Cold drinks, particularly those containing caffeine and sugar, can have several effects on the body, including the blood. Here are a few potential effects. Increase in blood sugar levels. Many cold drinks contain a high amount of sugar or high fructose corn syrup. Consuming these drinks can cause a rapid increase in blood sugar levels, which can have negative effects on health, particularly for people with diabetes. Dehydration. Caffeine, which is found in many cold drinks, is a diuretic. This means that it can cause the body to lose fluids through increased urine output, leading to dehydration. When the body is dehydrated, the blood becomes thicker and more concentrated, which can negatively affect circulation. Increased heart rate and blood pressure. Cold drinks that contain caffeine can also cause an increase in heart rate and blood pressure. This can be particularly dangerous for people with pre-existing heart conditions. Interference with nutrient absorption. Cold drinks can interfere with the body's ability to absorb certain nutrients, particularly calcium. This is because the phosphoric acid in many cold drinks can bind with calcium and prevent it from being absorbed properly. Tooth decay. Cold drinks, particularly those that are high in sugar, can contribute to tooth decay. The sugar in the drinks provides food for bacteria in the mouth, which can produce acid that can erode tooth enamel over time.